Dear students, this is our class MSc final year Inorganic Chemistry, paper 7th B, unit this is 4th, because this topic is not studies to till now. Today we discuss about structure and properties of the polymer, morphology and order in crystalline polymers, and polymer structure and physical properties, and glass transition temperature. First topic is morphology and order in crystalline polymer, configurations of polymer chain. The geometrical structure of macromolecules of polymer depends upon the spatial arrangement of the monomeric unit with respect to each other. Polymer containing the same chemical structure, that is made up of some monomeric units, can have different geometrical structure. The spatial arrangement of monomeric unit in a polymer chain can be discussed by the term configurations and conformation. Configurations and conformation is stereochemistry. A configuration is an arrangement fixed by chemical bonding between adjacent monomeric unit and between atoms of individual monomeric units. The configurations remains unchanged as long as chemical bonds are not broken or reformed. A polymeric chain cannot shift from one configuration to another without breaking or reforming the chemical bonds. On the other hand, a conformation is an arrangement resulting from the rotation of chain segments or adjacent monomeric units around the single bonds. This type of the rotation does not consist of any breaking reform of the chemical bonds over a period of time, depending upon applied stress, thermal energy, and solvent interaction. Example involving conformation of polymer chain include trans versus Gauge arrangement of consecutive carbon-carbon single bond and the helical arrangement found in some polymer crystal structure. Examples of these configurations and the arrangement around asymmetric carbon atoms, several stereoregular arrangement, head-to-head and tail-to-tail, and head-to-tail arrangement in vinyl polymer. Configurations in an asymmetric carbon atom in 1932. Stonger studies that polymer of monosubstituted olefin should contain a series of asymmetric carbon atoms along the chain, and they can be synthesized by several routes in stereoregular form. The regular structure of the resulting polymers, that is the poly and olefin, was recognized by Natta in 1955 to 1959. Natta gave to nomenclature to describe stereo regular polymer of this type indicate the following figure. This is the atactic configurations. Carbon connect with a alkyl group and other is hydrogen. Here we can say that see that first carbon containing directly to H and partially to R, and second is directly H and partial to H. Third is directly R and partial to H. This is the atactic configurations. Tacticity. Tacticity. The term tacticity derived from the Greek word tactikos. You know that a Greek word tactikos, known as tacticity, means arrangement or order. Tacticity is the relative stereochemistry of adjacent chiral center within a macromolecules. The practical significance of tacticity rests in the link between tacticity and the physical properties of the polymer. The regularity of the macromolecular structure influences the degree to which it had rigid, crystalline, long-range order or flexible amorphous long-range disorder. The knowledge of tacticity of a polymer also help in understanding its mechanical properties such as melting point and solubility. Diodes. Two adjacent structure unit in a polymer molecule constitute a diodes. If the diodes consist two identical oriented units, the diode called mesodiode reflecting similar feature as a meso compound. If the diode consists the unit oriented opposition, the diode is called a racemic diode and racemic compound. Triads, that is the diode triads. The stereochemistry of the macromolecules can be defined even more precisely within the introduction of the triads. An isotactic triads is made up two adjacent mesodiodes and syndiotic triads. Mesio-MM and syndiotic triads RR consist two adjacent racemodiodes and heterotactic triad is composed on mesodiode and adjusted to the racemodiode. The mass fraction of isotactic triads is a common quantitative measure of tacticity. When the stereochemistry of a macromolecule consists to be a Bernoulli process, triad compositions can be calculated from the probability of finding mesodiodes. When this probability is 0.25, then probability of finding for an isotactic triads is p square m or 0.0625. For a heterotactic triads is 2pm 1 minus pm or 0.375. For a syndiotic triads is 1 minus pm square or 0.5625 with a total probability. Similar relationship with diodes exists for the tetrads. The definition of tetrads and pentads introduce further sophistication and precision to defining tacticity, especially when information on long range ordering is desirable. Tacticity measurement obtained by the carbon-13 NMR are typically expressed in terms of the relative abundance of various patents within the polymer molecules like as MM, and MRRM. The tactic macromolecules in the IPAC definition macromolecules in which all the configurational units are identical. Tacticity is the particularly significant in vinyl polymer of the type CS2CHR, where each repeating unit with a substituted R is on one side the polymer backbone followed by the next repeating unit with the substituent on the same side as the previous one. The order side as the previous one or position randomly with respect to the previous one. In a hydrocarbon macromolecules, all carbons atoms making up the backbone in a tetrahedral molecular geometry. The zigzag backbone is the paper plane with substituted either sticking out of the paper or retreating into the paper. The projection called Netta projection after Giulio Netta. Atactic configuration. In atactic, A is equals to non or random and tactic is equals to arrangement. There are no any arrangement in that atactic configurations. Atactic configurations. Configuration of the substituted macromolecules are placed randomly along the chain. Polymers are formed by free radical mechanisms such as the polyvinyl chloride are usually atactic due to their random nature. Atactic polymers are usually amorphous. Atactic polymers are technologically very important. A good example of this type of the polystyrene. It is specially catalyzed to use the synthesis. It is possible to obtain the syndiotic version of the polymer, but most industrial polystyrene produced is atactic. These two materials have different properties because the irregular structure of the atactic. These two materials have different properties because irregular structure of the atactic version makes the impossible of the for the polymer chains stack in the regular fashion. And second is the stereoregular isotactic configuration. In isotactic, iso means same and tactic means arrangement, same arrangement. Configuration, all the substituted group R is above or below the plane of the main chain of the polymer. Polypropylene formed a Ziegler-Natta catalyst on the isotactic polymer. And syndiotactic configurations. In the syndiotactic, synd matlab alternate and opposite, tactic means arrangement. Opposite arrangement. Configuration of the substituent compound R is alternately above the below plane along the polymer nomenclature. Syntactic polystyrene made by the metallocene catalysis polymerization a crystalline with the melting point of the 270 degrees centigrade structure is that. This is the structure. The isotactic and syntactic polymers can be synthesized easily. Polystyrene and polymethacrylate are those polymers which can be prepared in the isotactic configurations. Polybutadiene and methacrylate are the polymers which can be made in the syntactic configurations. Head-to-hand and tail-to-tail configurations in the vinyl polymer of the complete configurations can be further described by the defining polymer head-to-tail configurations. In the regular macromolecules, all monomer units are normally linked in the head-to-tail configurations so that beta substituents are separated by the 3 carbon atoms. In head-to-head configurations with the separation is only by 2 carbon atoms and the separation with the tail-to-tail configurations is by the 4 atoms. Head-to-head oblique tail configurations are not part of polymer tactically but should be taken into account when considering polymer defect. Tacticity measurement. Tacticity measurement. Tacticity can be measured by proton or carbon-13 NMR. These techniques enable to quantitative assignment degree of tacticity in integrating the peak area of non-dyad RR, MM and RM, triad RRM, RRM, RMR, RMM and MMM. There is dyad is RR and triad is RRR. And a higher order polymer submit frequency ppm part per million. Bernoulli or Markovian analysis that peaks areas then can be used to calculate the tacticity of the polymer. Other techniques sensitive of the tacticity are X-ray powder, diffraction, secondary ion mass spectroscopy, vibrational spectroscopy, and especially two-dimensional techniques. Tacticity may be also informed by measuring another physical property such as the melting temperature when the relationship between tacticity and that property is the well established. R is the racemic and M is the meso. Configuration involving a carbon-carbon double bond polymer of the 1,3-di contains one residual double bond per repeat unit after polymerization. These polymer can consist of sequence with several different configurations for the mono substituted butadiene. The following structure of this is the cis 1,4. There is the 1,4 cis CS2 in the same side and CS2 1 and next CS2 is 4, so cis 1,4 and here is trans 1,4 opposite CS2 here is 1,2 and here is the 3,4. Stereoregular configuration. Stereoregular configuration is found in stereoregular polymer where each monomer segment is in a regular configurations. It provides a definite structure regularity that provide molecule as a whole. This structure regularity of a polymer molecule is defined as optical geometrical isomerism. Optical isomerism is the polymer which is capable of rotating plane of the polarized light known as optically active compound. While a simple low molecular weight compound's optical activity is associated with the presence of asymmetric carbon atoms, this is not universally true in the polymer. It was found in very second chain carbon atoms in the vinyl polymer asymmetric in the nature. This is the planar zigzag structure of the polyethylene molecules, and this is the If the hydrogen atoms and all ethylenes, polyethylene molecules is the substituted R is CH3, Cl and Cn, then the structure formula of this formula is this. There are CH and CH and R. CH and CH and R. Okay. In above polymer chain, very alternate carbon atoms can be considered to be asymmetric. This means alternating carbons carry different H to R. Here polymer chain segment is shown. This is the H2C and here is a CHR and CS2 is M. Here is N. Here star is denotes asymmetric carbon. Asymmetric carbons valencies are different. All valencies are different. X is the denotes and N group, and M and N are two polymer chain segment of chain length, and R is the substituent group. Each of these asymmetric carbon atom provides site optical isomerism, either D or L type isomerism, depending on where R group located below the CC chain or above. The regularly order of the successive sumeric carbon sites C star exhibit their D or L form give rise to three different types of isomeric structure in the polymer molecule designated isotactic, syntactic and the atactic. This is the three types: isotactic, syntactic and atactic. Example of this: this is the isotactic, this is the syntactic and this is the atactic. Isotactic is R is the same direction, but syntactic R is the alternative same direction, and atactic is the randomly. These three types of the polymer have same chemical structure but provide entirely different properties because they are different configuration and the geometrical structure. Atactic polymer exhibit generally low melting point and highly soluble nature, while isotactic and the syntactic polymers consist high melting point and the soluble properties. Okay, dear students, geometric isomerism discussing next lecture. Thank you so much.